Hello, my name is Mitya and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial in which I will demonstrate how to spice up your synth leads with vibrato. A vibrato is unquestionably one of the characteristics of great sounding music. While natural vibrato produced by, say, a violinist playing the violin has a distinct sound, modern effects and synthesizers are getting better at mimicking it. Taking this into account, our task for the next tutorial will be to show you how to spice up your synth leads with vibrato. Let's check out how this synth leads sounds unprocessed. In order to process this synth lead sound, I have used Melda Productions M Vibrato plugin. As you can see, I have set the vibrato effect depth to 10%, the width to 52% and its sync to 1/16 beats. Because the sine is the most natural sounding vibrato shape, in my opinion, I chose it as well. Let's listen now how this synth sound sounds processed and then in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.